Kia ora tātou, ko Rauhuia Kopua-Smith taku ingoa, no te whānau o ngā hainga, ngā krehi, ngā tamihere, me ngā mauwhata, te taha ki taku māma me taku pāpā, mai I roto o tūpāroa, te whānau a umuariki, ue pohatu. And when I got the call, well, it was explained to me as to what they were on about, like the work that Ruben and Fallon are doing with the young people, with the rangatahi and their whānaus. I had heard just a little bit about it, and I thought, well, you know, if that's what they're doing, well, I'm going to go to Mangahanea, you know, and tautoko them, you know, and pōhiri our manuhiri and our visitors. So we spoke with Ruben and Fallon and said, you know, if they needed any help, just to ring us, give us a call and let us know what's happening, and we'll come in and support them in what they were doing. Because they're helping whānaus, and our whānaus, all they need is to be loved. That's all. You know, it costs nothing. And so that's what they, you know, that's what they do. And I thought, wow, what a wonderful kaupapa it is. It's not easy. It's going to be hard work. But hey, when you're passionate about something, you're going to do the work, do the mahi. And that's why we're here. Well, I've been here just about all day, listening to the kōrero and watching these young men. Wonderful. You know, washing dishes, setting the table, sweeping the floor, picking up rubbish, you know, very respectful. And so when some of our people hear, oh, Mangu Kaha, well, they think, oh, and when they got jackets on and that, you know, and big print on their backs, they say, oh, mongrel mob, you know, everybody's it's mongrel mob. It's what they see out there in the media, eh? And when you're wearing a patch, I mean, everybody wears a patch. You got Adidas, you got, you know, Rebel Sport and all that fishing thing. They all wear patches. That guy that arrived this morning from Christchurch with his group, I enjoyed listening to him. All he wants is a good future for his mokopunas and his children. And he said, you know, it hasn't been easy, it's hard. He said, especially, you know, when we don't know any tikanga Māori, you know, our parents didn't know, our grandparents didn't know very much either, because they all left their marae places went to look for work. Whereas, you know, and so they've been in town like a lost tribe there. And so they're looking for their taha Māori. I was so full of aroha for them yesterday when they came on, you know, because, and even in their whai kōrero, they mentioned, you know, the atua, you know, that the atua guarded them here. You know, I was just so, yeah, so moved beyond words. I thought, gosh, these are young Māori men. You know, you don't hear that back here. Putting, you know, God first in there, but they did, you know. Yes. Even Hinatu, she said, hey, did you hear? I said, yes. Wonderful kōrero. I spoke with a couple of them. Some of them are from here, and they haven't been back for years and years. When their parents left, well, they left too. Said, Auntie, we don't know anything about, we didn't even know this was our marae. I said, well, darling, this is where it's at. I said, you know, your tupunas all in that wharenui, they'll be happy to have you back.
So maybe this is the start of something.
Yes, yes. Oh, I feel it. I feel it that it is a start of something. You know, I said you weren't put here, you didn't come here by mistake. God's timing is right. The time is right for us to come. And so his timing is always perfect. I said, we're here, you're here. I said, we're very busy people, Hinetu and I have just, got back from Iri to Kura from another week. I said, we get the call, we didn't ask questions or whatever, we just came. I said, so, when you're up this way, come home. This is your home. And they have treated it so beautifully, so respectful. The name of the game is communication, eh? It's communication, you've got to talk. I said, those pakeke didn't just say, te kai o te rangatira he kōrero. I said, there's a lot of truth in that. You don't talk or nobody's going to know what you're thinking. I said, so you've got to talk, even if what you're saying is wrong sometimes. Somebody will pick it up and carry on. You just got to keep at it. It's not easy, it won't be easy, but hey, the end result will be fantastic.
What's your hope for your moko? And
first of all, that they'll know that there is a creator. They know their reo and their tikanga and their whakapapa.